Well, as you can see, things are not going as planned. It is snowing here. I am in 84, Pennsylvania. I took a little bit of a detour. I've never been here before. I just wanted to try something different, go somewhere new. I'm freezing. I have whatnot tonight. I have no idea where I am, and now it's snowing. Let's go in and see what we can find. We're at 84 Antiques and Collectibles. Oh my gosh, look at the coin dot. I love the perfume bottle. See a lot of stuff I like. Look at all this glowy glass. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I've never seen that before. Also have my eye on this. Dude, that's so awesome. I love the hand painting on that one. Dude, check out the glass eyes. It's amazing. The little owls. This is awesome. Wait, do those say $3 for the pink glass owls? Well, I see something really, really incredible. I've never seen a Fenton hippo. And then here's the dinosaur. The Fenton hippo is like next level. Cat 65. Totally reasonable, but a little close for me. $90 on the ghost. That one's 55, 69. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's amazing. Look, here's another one of those. I'm actually gonna look up the hippo. It's really cool. I'm trying to get service and also not look out the window at how crazy the freaking, oh, those are awesome. The snow is getting, I'm a little nervous. Here's a blue glass face. That's nice, 28, that's totally fair. Oh my gosh, look at the little dandelion. That's awesome. Also love this box. That's at 24. Oh, I guess it's like a vessel. I'm too tired to remember what those are actually called. Ooh, cat. But I also see the miniatures over here. Now this is really interesting to me. I love these guys. First of all, the flamingo, that's $3. I'm gonna get that. Little walrus, I'll get that. The little tigers, $4 for the set. We'll take that. Oh my gosh, look, Hagen Renegar donkeys. Sold and sold. And then a little mushroom. Oh my gosh, look at this little picture. That's so cute. And then the Napco bone china, $5. I think I'm gonna get those too. I'm gonna start a little pile. Let me put my my camera down. All right, now I cleared out some of the miniatures. I'm also $10 on the bugs. That one's got a little hairline. See, oh my gosh, the little dolphin. I have to take him. I kind of like really attracted to this. I'm just gonna get it. It's $3. Kind of feel like, why not? Well, look at this little nook over here. I'm still trying to get service to figure out the hippo situation, because I don't think I've seen a Fenton hippo. I'm like wondering if I'm imagining that because I'm tired, but let's see. That's kind of nice. It's only 15. Yeah, like an insane amount of awesome Fenton here. I love this vase. That's only at 28. The white one. Now this is really cool. The Fenton ebony crest. I have never seen that. It's really interesting. Yeah. Really pretty. I don't really do baskets. A lot of coin dot, although I'm kind of partial to the one I saw when I walked in, that big jar. Look at this, dude. Oh my gosh. Stop it. That is so cute. That is adorable. $10. I think there's a little room on that still. I've never seen it. It looks in good condition. Yeah, that's awesome. I think I'm gonna grab this, but I'm really distracted because it's like little knickknacks everywhere. What is this? Q-Tex. Oh my gosh, that's so fabulous. I love the little bottle. Well, here's my attention. The, first of all, that one with the yarn is 18. The one with the glasses is 16. Yeah, I wonder, I see the case is open. I'm gonna have to pull through these. Oh my gosh. All right, so that one's at 24. That one's at 38. I'm like, This one's $16, dude. I have to get that. That's art. That's a harder to find one. I've never actually seen that style. This is really special though. $18. I'm gonna get that. I think it's so unique and in such good condition. There's still some room. Oh my gosh, there's a cat section. Now, what's happening here? Viking? That's really cool. Interesting. Never seen that. I don't know enough about it to know what retail is, and I still don't have any service. This one's black and it's got a panther on it. That one's marked Fenton and it's, oh, that's awesome. That's coming with me. It does say $10, right? Why is it $10? It's really different, the fact that it's all black. Let's see. What's going on with the cat section? You know, that's what I'm really focused on right now. $6. That's a no-brainer. All right, let's see what else they have. 16. I can't really do anything with that. I love these weird cats. $5. Oh my gosh, look at this one's eyes. It's so crazy looking. 19. Oh, bone china miniatures, little cat family in the original thing. 15. That's not bad. I'm just a little overwhelmed. Royal Copley. Yeah, 22. That's a little close. Let's see, what else do they have? Here's a cow section. I really just want to get service. I'm really curious about the hippo still. I'm like hyper focused on it. Still trying to get service. In the meantime, Jack in the Pulpit, that's really pretty. That's at 18. This is awesome. That's at 18 too. That's, not sure if I want to ship that, but it's pretty awesome. How many times can I say awesome? Look, this is like a Japan cat that it's like got Tanala vibes. That's kind of cool. Head vases. These are probably spendy. They look spendy. Yeah, 50. That's fair. Still trying to get service, but I keep seeing things that catch my eye. Oh my gosh, does this say $19, dude? It's an antique celluloid German Bible. That's definitely on the harder to find side, and it looks like it's in pretty good condition. That's amazing. Yeah, for $19, I'm gonna grab that. That's really beautiful. Yeah, this is really cute. And then this one's only $5. And its tail is intact. I'm gonna take both these. Well, I'm starting to think that I'm not gonna be able to get service. Look at this little brass owl. He's fun. I'm not like a big brassy person. That's only 14. The egg. That's awesome. Here's another paperweight, 15. I got a bunch of lucite when I was in Indiana. Funny little troll. I wish my hair did that. Paperweights. See this cat? That one's feet looks like it's touching the ground. I think that one might be Murano, but I'm not sure. I don't want to gamble too much. Here's an Amberina one, 15. I don't know why the black one was only 10. I thought that was so cool. What else do we have? Okay, we have Christmas. First and foremost, this guy, 15. And, yes, this is 15 in the original. I think I might, this one's 10. This one is pretty awesome, especially because it's in the original packaging. Christmas Pixies Japan. I think I might do that. And this guy's at 10. Oh my gosh, am I getting crazy? Am I getting too crazy? Whatever, I feel good about it. More owls. This one stands out to me though. This one's $10. I have to get this. Wow, that is awesome. I love the eyes on that. Now, up here, look at all the bluebirds. And the little birds that's signed. Wow. This one's really interesting. This one's got, whoa, French. Barack. I can never say it. Well, I can say it, actually. That's not true. I'm just exhausted. I wonder if that's neodymium. No, I don't think it is. It's crystal, duh. Let's see, what else do we have here? 19. That's pretty. Now, there's something else here that really stands out. It's that German half doll in the back. That's amazing. This is a really great pin, too. But, oh, look at the hair fan. Or the hair comb, I should say. Or cats. Look at this one with the ladybug. Go Bowl 15. Ah, I'm not even showing it. I can't stop with this hippo. 65.
He just brought that in. That's
So cool. All right, so I'll let the hippo go. But I have free candy, so I got a second wind here, and I see teeth. Those are awesome. I have some like that, actually, so. Sorry, now I'm chewing. Cheez-Its. Oh my gosh, I stole my Cheez-Its. But also, I got this. So, it's getting dark, it's snowing. It's time to get back on the road.